Second lesson of algebra is quadratic equation. You all know the polynomials that we last year studied. So there are two types of polynomials. The first one is the linear polynomial. So linear polynomials means what? When a degree of polynomial is 1, then it is called as the linear polynomials. Means degree of polynomial is 1. So here look, 5x plus 9. Here degree is 1. So that polynomial is linear polynomial. That also linear polynomial. And second is quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials means when a degree of polynomial is 2, then it is called as a quadratic polynomials. When degree of polynomial is 2, so that polynomial we call the quadratic polynomial. So look, this equation x square plus 3x minus 5. Here degree of polynomial is what? 2, na? Greatest degree is 2. So we call it quadratic polynomial. Here also degree of polynomial is 2. Here also 2. Therefore these are the examples of quadratic polynomials. Next point is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means the equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called as the quadratic equation. It means in that equation one variable is and that variable's degree is 2. Maximum degree of that variable is 2. So that equation we call as the quadratic equation. For example, now look here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is the general form of quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So here one variable is x and here also x. So one variable is present and degree of that variable is 2. Maximum degree of that variable is 2. This is the condition of quadratic equation. Practice set 2.1 question number 1. Write any two quadratic equation. You can write which also quadratic equation here, but that quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first quadratic equation I written x square plus 10x minus 200 is equal to 0, and second one is y square minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now second question is decide which of the following are quadratic equation. And so here which of the following are quadratic equation that want to show. The first question is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now look, quadratic equation's condition what is we want only one variable and that variable's index, highest index we want 2. So look, in that equation one variable is and the highest index of that variable is 2. So we return in this equation x is the only variable with highest index 2. Therefore the given equation is quadratic equation. Now second question is y square is equal to 5x minus 10. Now this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Na? So write in the accurate form of quadratic equation. So write y square, this plus 5 goes on minus 5. Y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now in this equation y is the only variable. Now look, in this equation y is the only variable and highest index of y is 2. Therefore the given equation is quadratic equation. Next question is y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Now look, here y is in the inverse form. No? So that so we multiply equation by y. When we multiply this equation by y, then we get y cube plus 1. This y get cancelled. Plus 1 is equal to 2y. So y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now look, in that equation only one variable is, but the highest index of variable is 3, not 2. So we return in this equation the highest degree, the highest index of variable y is 3. Therefore the given equation is not quadratic equation. Fourth one is x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. Here also multiply this equation by x. So when we multiplying this equation by x, then we get x square plus 1 is equal to minus 2x. Now write in the journal form of the quadratic equation. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That minus 2x goes on plus 2x. Now look, in this equation x is the only variable. X is the only variable, and the highest degree of that x is 2. Therefore, this equation is the quadratic equation. Now next question is m plus 2 and m minus 5 is equal to 0. Here is 2 bracket. Now, so solve these 2 brackets first. Multiplication of 2 brackets. So m multiply by m minus 5 plus 2 multiply by m minus 5 is equal to 0. So m into m square, and m into 5 is 5m plus 2m minus 5 to the 10 is equal to 0. So this plus minus 5m plus 2m is m square minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. Now look, in this equation, m is the only variable with highest index 2. Therefore, the given equation is quadratic equation. Next is 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. Now solve this. So 3m cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 3m cube minus 3m cube is minus 2m cube. Na? Here plus m cube minus 3m cube is minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So in this equation, the highest index of the variable is 3. Therefore, the given equation is not quadratic equation. Question number 3. Write the following quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Write the values of a, b, c for each equation. And so it means here you have to write the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the values of a, b and c also write. So first is 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. So write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So 2y, first write y square, squares term write first. So y square plus 2y, that minus y square goes on plus y square plus 2y minus 10 plus 10 goes on minus 10 is equal to 0. So comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we get a value of a is what? 1, and b is 2, and c is minus 10. Okay, so next second question is x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3. Now x minus 1 bracket square, we all know the formula of a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. By this formula you solve this a minus b bracket square. So x minus 1 bracket square is here. So first is x square here minus 2ab means 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 is 2x plus 1. So x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to this 2x plus 3. Now this 2x and 3 come on LHS. So x square minus 2x plus 2x is minus 2x, and plus 3 is minus 3. So x square minus 2x, this minus 2x plus 1 and minus 3. So minus 2x is minus 4x, and minus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So we return x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we get the so required equation is our what? X square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0, and where a is 1, b is minus 4. Now look, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2. Third one is the x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus x. So solve this first. X square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus x. So before bracket minus sign is na. So so all sign in brackets are changed. So x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3. Here plus 3 goes on minus 3 and minus x goes on plus x. So we return x square. Now look, here is minus 3, that minus 3 goes on to plus 3, and plus x goes on to minus x. So x square plus 5x minus x is equal plus 3 is equal to 0. So solve this. 5x minus x is 4x and plus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation. So compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then our required equation is x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here a is 1, b is 4 and c is 3. Fourth question is 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Now look, 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. That's all. 3m square, this minus 2m is plus 2m goes on to minus 2m square, and minus 9 goes on to plus 9. So 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Now here is square and here is also square. No? So 3m square minus 2m square is m square plus 9 is equal to 0. But it is not in the form of ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So only x square term is, but m term not is. No? So we return m square plus 0m. Here not any number, so we get 0m plus 9 is equal to 0 is the required equation. And the value of a, b, c are, the value of a is 1 and b is 0 and c is 9. Question number 5. P in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Now look, p that's all then. P into 3 is 3p, p into 6p is 6p square, plus that minus 5 goes on to plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation, and the values of a, b, c are the value of a is 6, b is 3 and c is 5. Next one is x square minus 9 is equal to 13. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. That's all then. X square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. Now minus is plus. So x square minus 22 is equal to 0. Now here also x term notice. So we get 0 there. X square plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. So compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, our required equation is x square plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0, where the value of a is 1 and b is 0 and c is minus 22. Question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations are the roots of quadratic equation or not. So here some values are given, and from that values you have to put in that equation, in that quadratic equation, and that values are roots of that quadratic equation or not, that want to show. So first equation is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So substitute x is equal to 1 in that equation. So LHS is equal to what is x square plus 4x minus 5. So x is equal to 1 means where is x there, put 1. So here x square means 1 square plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 5. So 1 square is 1. Plus 4 ones are 4 minus 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So now RHS is 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x is equal to 1 is the root of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now substituting x is equal to minus 1 in that equation. So LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. So where is x? There put minus 1. So minus 1 square plus 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 5. So minus 1 square is plus 1. Okay, plus 4 into 1 is minus 4 minus 5. So 1 minus 4 minus 5 is 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 8. So it is not equal to 0, na? So therefore we return LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not root of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Second question is 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0, where m is equal to 2 and 5 upon 2. So here first substituting m is equal to 2. So here LHS is 2m square minus 5m. So 2 multiplied by m square is 2. Here substitute the value of m is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 square minus 5 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 square is 4 minus 5 to the 10. 4 to the 8. 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So this is not equal to 0, na? So LHS is not equal to RHS. So therefore we return LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore m is equal to 2 is not root of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now next is substituting m is equal to 5 upon 2. So in that equation substitute m is equal to 5 upon 2. Therefore LHS is equal to 2m square minus 5m is 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2 minus 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2. Here square is. So 2 multiplied by 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. So here we return 5 5s are minus 5 5s are 25 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 is 0. So it is equal to RHS, na? So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So m is equal to 5 upon 2 is root of given quadratic equation. Question number 5. If x is equal to 3 is one root of the equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, then find the value of k. Now here what given? X is equal to 3 is root of the given equation. So x is equal to 3 is the root of given equation. Okay, so substituting x is equal to 3 in the given equation. So when we substitute x is equal to 3 in that equation, kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now substitute kx square is 3 square. 10 multiplied by x is 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 square is 9. 9k minus 10 3s are 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. 9k, now minus 30 plus 3 is minus 27 is equal to 0. Now 9k is equal to 27. That minus 27 goes on plus 27. And k is equal to 27 upon 9. So k is equal to 3. 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Therefore, the value of k is 3. Question number 6. One of the roots of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. So complete the following activity to find the value of k. Now look here, minus 7 upon 5 is the root of this equation. So write first, minus 7 upon 5 is a root of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Now substitute m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the given quadratic equation. Okay, so 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. So 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. So 5 multiplied by 7 minus 7 upon 5 square is 7 square is 49 and 5 square is 25 plus 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 49 upon 5 plus minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Now 49 upon 5 plus minus is minus. Minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. 49 minus 14 is 7. 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. This dividing 5 goes on to multiplying 5. So 7 plus k is equal to 0 multiplied by 5. So 7 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to this plus 7 goes on minus 7. It's minus 7. K is equal to minus 7. Therefore, value of k is minus 7.